Hi, I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the September Leetcode Challenge Day 16 problem. Maximum XOR of two numbers in an array. Now let's have a look at the problem statement. Given a non-empty array of numbers a0, a1, a2 to an-1, where 0 is less than equals to a of I is less than equals to 2 to the power 31. Find the maximum result of a of I XOR a of j where 0 is less than equals to I comma j is less than n. Could you do this in O of n runtime? Okay, now let's have a look at the example. The input array is 3, 10, 5, 25, 2, 8. Output is 28. Let's say what the explanation reads. The maximum result is 5 XOR 25, that's 28. Okay, if you do not know what XOR is, it's also known as XOR gate or exclusive OR. That is, true output results if only one of the input gate is true. It's often used for bitwise operations. Example, 1 XOR 1 is 0, 0 XOR 0 is also 0. Now let's understand this. Say we have 11102 XOR 10012. Then the answer yields 1 is 0, 10 is 1, 10 is 1, 01 is 1 and 22 is 2. That is equivalent to addition without carry. The goal here is to find two numbers in the input array that will produce the largest XOR. For example, that has the most ones to the left in binary representation. We can do this by first building a trie that represents the binary form of the numbers in the input array. Then, for each number in the input array, traverse the trie to find out the number that will produce the largest XOR with it. It should become more clearer to you once we code. So let's quickly dive into the code. We need to know the largest binary representation. We will calculate the maximum of nums and convert it into bin and calculate its length at the end and subtract 2 because bin prepends 0b and we want to ignore that. Now we will calculate the number of bits. We will left pad zeros to ensure each number has L bits. If x is greater than I and 1 produces bit at position I for number x, x values is moved right by I bits. V and 1 to produce 0 or 1. Now let's understand this. Let's say L equals to 5, then 3 equals to 3 is greater than 4 and 1, that is 0. 3 is greater than 3 and 1 is 0. 3 greater than 2 and 1 is 0. 3 greater than 1 and 1 is 1. And lastly 3 greater than 0 and 1 is 1. So 3 becomes 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now let's calculate the root. Now let's build the trie. Now I'm declaring another for loop inside this. Once done, now I will set maximum XOR as 0. And now I will run another loop. I will initialize node with root. We want to find the node that will produce the largest XOR in num. That is why I will run another for loop for bit in bits. Our goal here is to find the opposite bit. For example, bit equals to 0, we want 1. This is our goal because we want as many ones as possible. Now I will set toggle bit as 1 minus bit. If toggle bit is in node, then I'll append node with toggle bit. Otherwise, I'll set node equals to node of bit. At the end, we are at the leaf node. So now we can do the XOR computation. At last, we will return maximum XOR. Now let's try running the code. Now let's try submitting it. And it's done. You can join my Discord server and my Telegram channel for daily updates. You can find the link in description box below. You can find the code at my GitHub repository. Link is available in the description box below. If you wish to connect with me on other social platforms, the link is mentioned in the description box below. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to ask. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.